Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to make a portfolio website in Canva. The first thing you want to do once you have signed up with Canva, which you can do for completely free, you are going to tap on the search bar, and from there I want you to type in portfolio websites. After you have done that, you'll be led to this page on which you'll see numerous templates that we can choose from. So you can scroll down and you can select any one of these templates that you may like. All you'll have to do is hover over the template and you will see the different pages, as you can see right there. And by the way, any one of the templates that you see with a crown that says Pro, that means that you would have to be a paid subscriber on Canva to edit that particular template. But let's say I want to use this template. All I have to do is tap on it. After I have selected the template, I will see an example of how it looks right here. Then I'm going to select Customize this template. After selecting Customize this template, you'll be redirected to a new page. And on this page, we'll now be able to edit our portfolio website. So you can see that this is the first page. So if you would like to edit the text, you can do that quite easily in Canva. All you have to do is tap on the text box that you would like to edit. So let's say, for example, I want to change the text right here and I want to put in simple answers. We can do that quite easily, as you can see right here. Also, if you would like to change the text size or style, you can do that from the top menu option that says heading now. All you'll have to do is tap on that section. And let's say, for example, I want to change the font style to this one. And also, if you would like to change the font size, you can do that by tapping right where you see the numbers at the top. Then you'll be able to change the font size. So if you would like it to be larger or smaller, you can do that. And you can also change the color of the text. And by the way, with Canva, whichever photo you use in the background or so on, it will take out the colors out of it, so you can adjust your text based on those colors, or you can use default colors, as you can see right here. So if I would like to change the text to blue, I can do that. And by the way, if you would like to change the image, all you'll have to do is tap on the current image. Then you're going to right click and you will see the option detach image from background. Then you are going to tap on the trash can. After you have done that, if you would like to add a new image, you could select uploads. And after selecting uploads, you could upload one of your own photos if you want. Or you can select elements from the top left hand option. So it would be the second option. Then in the search bar from there, you can type in whatever photo you would like to add. So for example, I could type in woman. Then I can simply tap on enter. After doing that, I could select photos. And from here, you can see numerous photos that I could use. And all I would have to do is simply tap on the image that I want to use. Once I've tapped on the image, it is going to add it to the page, as you can see right there. Then I'll simply right click. Then I'll tap on set image as background. And you can see that the background image has now changed. And also, if you would like to remove any text box, you can do that by simply selecting the text box, then tapping on the trash can. And now to scroll down, as you can see, this is a different page. Again, to upload your work, as this is a portfolio website, all you'll have to do is tap on uploads from the left hand menu option. Then from here, you can upload your previous work. And then you'll be able to add it. All you'll have to do is tap on the current images and you can add it. And also, if you would like to change the container box, for example, you can see that this photo is currently in a square. If you would like to change that, all you have to do is simply delete the current photo. After you have deleted the photo, you're going to tap on elements in the top left hand corner. After selecting elements, from here I want you to type in frame. So you're going to type in frame. Then you're going to tap on enter. After doing that, you're going to tap on see all. And by tapping on see all, you can see the numerous different frames you can choose from. So for example, if you would like to add a cell phone, you could add a cell phone, then you could add an image in that cell phone frame, so it would look like that image is in the cell phone. Also, you can see a mock image right here. So let's say I want to use this frame. All you have to do is tap on the frame. Then you can enlarge the frame. You can change the size, as you can see here. After you have adjusted the size, again, if I would like to add an image, I can type in the type of image that I want. So let's say, for example, I want to add a wolf. So I could type in wolf in the search bar. After typing in wolf, from here I could select photos. Then I can select the wolf photo that I would like to use, and I can simply drag and place it, as you can see there. And also, if you would like to change the background color, you can do that by simply tapping on the background. Then you will see the color box in the top left hand corner, and from there you can change the background color to whichever color you want. And by the way, if you don't see the color that you want to use, all you have to do is tap on the plus right where it says add new color. Then from here you can select the color on the glider that you would like to change it to. As you can see right here, there's numerous options, so I can simply tap on it, and you can see that the background color has changed. And by the way, if you would like to add a new page, all you have to do is scroll down to the last page. Then you could tap on add page, and from there you can add whatever you would like to that page. And by the way, if you want to add more text, so let's say for example you want to add another text box to this page, all you have to do is select the page. Then from here you're going to tap on text in the left hand menu option. Then you will see the different text boxes, or you can scroll down and you can select one of these font combinations, as you can see right here. So you could scroll down, and let's say you like one of these font combinations, you could select them. But for this example, I'm going to simply tap on add a heading. After you have selected add a heading, you could type in whatever you want right there. And again, you can change the font style, and you can also change the size of the font if you want. And you can also change the alignment of text or any image. Also, if you would like to add clickable links to your website, you can do that. So let's say for example, I want this text to be clickable. All you have to do is select the text. Then you're going to tap on the three dots. After you have done that, you can tap on link. And from there you could input the link that you would like the text to be clickable to. So as you can see, there are numerous editing options you can choose from, and as I said, you can add clickable links if you want. Once you're finished, all you'll have to do now is go up to the top right hand corner, and you're going to tap on publish website. After you have selected publish website, from here you can select free domain, and you'll be given a free domain from Canva. Or if you would like to purchase a domain, you could tap on purchase a new domain. Or if you have an existing domain, you could tap on use my existing domain, and you could add it right there. Once it is finished, you'll tap on continue, and your website will now be live, and you'll be able to share your website URL in your description or so on. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.